Hello everyone, good day. I am Angelica Perdigon and I will be presenting the cultural exchange. So this presentation talks about cultural exchange, no? So what does culture means? So kung may culture, no, it is a way of life of a group, no? It talks about their traditions, the way they dress, their delicacies, their beliefs, and so on and so forth. So if Postoriotag exchange, no, it talks about people from different cultures sharing ideas and traditions and learning from each other. So it helps us understand how others live and think. So these are the key points. First, sharing traditions, language, foods, and beliefs. Second, happens through travel, education, and media. Of course, no, you wouldn't know if unsa ang culture sa other groups without this, no, without travel, without education, and media. And third is interaction of people from different culture. So if ma-interact nimo sila, then mahibalaan nimo unsay culture nila. So again, it will happens when people from different places interact and share their cultures. So kana ilang language, ilang food, ilang beliefs, no? So it allows us to experience and understood the different ways of life. Okay, so let's move on to the importance of cultural exchange. First is to promote peace and understanding. So it helps people respect and accept cultural differences. So if makabalota sa culture sa other groups, no, or sa other countries, ma-accept na gyud nato na, no, kay ilahi-lahi man taog kanang culture, no, kay normal ra man guro na sa ato, like for example sa religion nato, lahi-lahi man gyud tag belief, lahi-lahi ta og tinuohan, pero naa sa atoa ang acceptance, no, naa sa atoa ang respect. So di gyud na siya mawala. So by the by knowing what is cultural exchange, I mean what are the culture of the other groups, no, ma-reduce nato ang misunderstanding. Okay, so next is it reduces stereotypes and discrimination. So through cultural exchange, it breaks negative assumptions through real interactions. So just like for example sa South Africa, no, ato man yung knowledge, no, namigid sa tong utok nga ang South Africa, they are known as black people. So dili man ko ano nga narcissista, but reality wise mo tinuod. So by knowing what are their culture, may bala na to what unsay history nga ingana sila, no, ma-reduce na to ang discrimination. So labi na kung real interaction na gyud, no, makaadto ta dito makabalo ta unsa ka init dito So, ma-reduce yun ang discrimination. Okay, so lastly, it encourage global cooperation. So, it supports teamwork and unity among different nations. So, just like for example, no, if kabalo na taon si culture sa other groups or sa other nations, murag accept na nato ba, na-accept na nato, respect, of course, mura magug we are putting ourselves to their shoes. So if na ay problem ang ilahang group, then pwede ta mo support, pwede ta mo kanabitang gahatag og teamwork, no, cooperation sa different nations or different cultures or groups. Now let's move on to the example of cultural exchange. So first is student exchange programs. Students study and live in another country to learn its culture. So just like for example, if a Filipino citizen, no, naka-decide siya nga mo study abroad, no, dito sa Korea. So ila pa lang language daan, may balaan na niya, no, kana pa lang daan culture naman siya language. So through kanabitang living to the other country or to the other nations, you will know what are their culture as well as sa imuha pod no na sila may balaan sa imuha, of course sa kay friends ana. So by that na exchange sa inyuha nga knowledge about culture. So next is the international festivals. So events that showcase traditions, music, and food from different cultures. So isa ka example na kuan nino katapitang show nga ang mga Filipino is kanabitang ilahang talent is mag-play sila sa shadow ba, and then with matching kanang Filipino music, and then makita dito ang culture sa Filipino. So kana nga example mabalaan sa mga foreigners no nga ingani di ang culture sa Filipino, as well as kanang foods. So daghan na may lahi nga foods delicacies nga kanang naadri sa Philippines no, like Chinese, Japanese, Koreans. So by that may bala na to nga they like spicy foods day. So mana siya. Next is food and music sharing. So mora na siya dito sa taas no sa international festivals no nga people experience cultural through cuisine and entertainment. Lastly, sa social media interactions. So, online platforms connect people and cultures worldwide. So, grabe naman ka-huge ang kanabitang kuan karon sa social media no or sa media. By watching TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and other social media platforms, makabalo na ta kung unsay cultures worldwide. So, mana siya. Okay, next is the benefits of cultural exchange. First is to improve communication skills. So it helps people express ideas clearly with other from different backgrounds. So it improves communication skills daw. Of course, no, if we interact with the different groups with their language, with their different language, mas ma-improve mo yun na communication skills, no? Labaw na sa kanang English, sumo mo dyan natong international language. Pwede ba dito makikistorya sa ilaha nga ginagamit ang atong dialect nga Bisaya, di ba, of dili. So by cultural exchange, mas ma-improve nato atong communication skills. So next is builds global friendship. So it creates strong connections with people from other cultures. So isa ka example ana katong pageant international. I don't know kung Miss Universe ba to. Pero na viral siya diri sa Philippines si Miss Thailand. No nga grabe ilahang strong connection or friendship sa Philippine representative. So, mo na siya example sa benefits sa cultural exchange, no? It builds global friendships. Next is increased knowledge and awareness. So, it expands understanding of different traditions and lifestyle. Of course, if kanang maka-interact ka or naana kay knowledge sa culture sa other groups, tama jud kay awareness no ma-increase man gid imong knowledge. So mas ma-expand imong understanding nga ay mao di ay ing-ani mo di ing-ana. It is because na-interact na naman nimo sila na naman kay interaction between the different groups. So next is it enhances personal growth, develop confidence, adaptability, and open-mindedness. So kani siya important kaayo siya sa atong kaugalingon no nga kanang ma-acquire nato because ma-develop atong confidence. Just like for example, ang mga Filipinos, we are known as kanang mga resilience. So by that na idea ma-develop atong confident no mas resilient pa gyud ta. And then adaptability. So mas ma-adapt nato ilang cultures, mas ma-appreciate nato ang atong cultures, and of course open-mindedness, no? So lahi-lahi man jud ta og culture, no? Lahi-lahi ta og kanabitang history sa atong culture, lahi-lahi ta og story. So if natay knowledge sa culture sa other, mas ma-open minded ta. So mo na siya. So before ending my presentation, no, since it is last slide naman, no, ang ako lang conclusion is kaning cultural exchange maka-bring gid siya, it brings people together. I mean, kanang makatabang bitaw siya nga mag-create og more understanding, peaceful world nga kana bitang by learning their traditions, their culture, na pwede na to siya marespeto. Of course, respect man yun. Because we are different, no? Lahi-lahi ta og gikanan, lahi-lahi ta og culture. So, by learning their culture and vice versa, pwede na kanang i-respect na to ang ato ang differences. So that's all. I hope you understand and kanang naamoy mas ni-broad ang knowledge about cultural exchange. Thank you everyone and God bless.